So you will sign up with your first name, email, referral code. The referral code that you will see will be here, and then you will select your country and then solve the math and then click on sign up. So this is Web3 Bro, and we are here on mine Bittoken. All right, so I'm gonna show you step by step on how to get started on this platform. You can withdraw for free. It's completely for free. I'm gonna navigate through the platform to show you what you need to do. So let's click on sign up. So we couldn't verify you are human. You have 4 attempts. Okay, I'm asked to give 17 times 27. The answer is 459. Let's see. Okay, I'll fill my name again. Select country. Select your country. I'm in Nigeria. I'm in Nigeria. So you now click on sign up. If you were successful, please connect to our Telegram bot to proceed. So after this registration, so what's gonna happen is you're gonna connect to the Telegram bot to continue the registration. Okay. So Bitcoin Telegram bot verification. Please click the bot button below to start a chat with our bot to receive your chat ID to proceed. Okay. So you enter the 2 minus 5, that should be -3, right? Should be -3. So let's submit. Okay, I need to fill the bot. So we will have to go to Telegram and then complete our registration there. So you come over here to where you see to this search icon. You click on this search icon. See the search icon? You click on it and then you search for Bittoken. Bittoken, right? It's right here. Bittoken. You will now see the one that has bot, right? This is the official channel, right? And then you click on it, the first one, but and then you click on start. Click on start. So your ID, your chat ID, yes, right. So you're gonna click on this one, and then you copy it. Then you will edit and copy only the code. Then you now head over to the website. Here is the website. Now you click on it and enter the chat ID, and then you solve this and click on submit. Now look at this. You're great. Your chat ID has been verified. All right. So now what are you to do next is to enter your email, the email used in registering, and then enter the answer, which is 0. Log in. Now a verification code will be sent to your email. Some codes will be sent to your email. Yeah. And remember the bot on Telegram I activated to get my chat ID? The OTP has been sent to that particular bot. That is where you will receive your OTP. So I'll type in 8963. Congratulations, your email has been verified. So the next thing you're going to do is to click on claim. Right, so confirm your action. Do you want to proceed with the claim or watch an ad for X2? So I rather go for watching the ad for X2. That means I'm going to claim 6,000. Okay. Yeah, so please wait. You will be redirected to watch an ad using the Bittoken app. Android only. So what's going to happen is you're going to download the app, click on download. But you can choose not to follow this route. You can choose to just ignore if you are looking for only 3,000 of that coin. All right, you can just choose to ignore. But I already have the APK. I already have the app. I'll download anyway. Let's see if it will update the other one. Downloaded. So I'll click on open. Click on open, and then I will click on this one. Click on it to install the APK. Install it. Do you want to update? You see, I already have the app, so I'm asked if I'm going to update. So I'll click on update. Update anyway. I've not installed package conflict with the existing package. Okay. So we're installing. So I had to go and uninstall the old app and install the new one because there was a conflict between the old app and the new. So when it's done installing, we will continue with the registration, with the claiming rather. So you may have some security breach, but when you get to the place where your phone will scan the app, just click on ignore and then click on open. I'm done. So I'll open the app. So I'm asked to log in again. So I'm going to enter 19, 10 plus 9, 19. I'll click on login. OTP has been sent again to me. I've received. So this is one. Remember, it will be sent to your Telegram bot that you activated that I got my chat ID from. And then it's congratulations been verified. Done. So I'm going to click on claim. Watch ad. So ad can only be played on the on the app itself, the APK. Okay. Loading ad. The app is monetized with Google Ads. Okay. So after this app is done, the ad is done, I'm going to resume the video. So we are done with the ad. I'm going to click on claim. I already watched the ad, so I don't think I would like to watch the ad again. Okay, the other one has been claimed. So if you want to keep claiming, you will keep watching ads. Okay, just claim. Okay, I've claimed 120 instead of 60 points claimed. So now there is a mining. So this is how I'm going to be getting this mining. Every hour I'll be earning 30 RP. Okay, so for just registering with a referral code from someone else, I received 1000 RP. Okay, and then if you now verify your account and start mining, you'll be getting 30 RP per hour, which will accumulate to I don't know how many in a day, but it will be up to like at least 300 or more in a day. Yeah, so that's it for that one. And then let's proceed. So if you want to boost your mining power, or maybe you want a bot to be mining automatically for you without you touching the app again, is to come over here to where you see booster and click on booster. From there you can spend between 1 USDT to 100 USDT per month to purchase a bot miner to boost your daily mining rate and RP. Okay, so or you watch ads to increase your claim interval. You can watch 11 more ads. Okay, so you can click on watch ads, or you click on this one or this one, any of them. You can click on buy bot miner. Then this BM2.5 cost $1 and mining rate is X2.5 per hour. So that means 2.5 per hour will be added to the other one you have already, and it will be giving you this hourly, and in The claim time is 6 hours. That means this bot is working for only 6 hours. It will stop. Okay, the second one will work for 8 hours and goes for 5 USDT. The third one goes for 10 USDT, so for 12 hours and 25x per hour. And then this one is $20 to work for 16 hours, 50x50 per hour. Then the fifth one? Then this one is gonna give you $50. You're gonna pay $50 to grab this one. This one's 20 hours. Till you get to the final one, which is $100. Will mine for 24 hours and 250x per hour. Now let's go to earn. If you click on earn, this video is getting long. If you click on earn, you can perform task here to earn. You can perform. So please make sure you have updated your profile with all your social media handles, Telegram, TikTok, and the rest before you can start this task. Okay, this task, the special task here, view your art and all of that, comments, all of those things. Then 1000 RP pay ad watch. So 20 ads left. So you can earn 20,000 RP reward points. Okay, for watching 20 ads. So there are other things say you can perform to grab more reward. This is very, very simple. If you click on wallet, you will see the one I have, and you can exchange. This is the most important aspect of this platform. Please watch this to the end. This is where you can exchange this BTT to USDT. So you click on P2P, and then premium KYC coming soon. So this particular one, you will need to perform KYC before you can actually cash out from here. Okay. So you click on deposit. So amount to deposit. Okay, I will have to do this in another video because it's getting long already. But just know that this is how the platform is. You can navigate the platform by yourself, and then we will see in the next video. All right, so this is Web3 Bro. The link will be in the description. Click and register. Follow the video to activate your account effectively, and then wait for other videos and other instructions. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.